So we are given a regular decagon, which is shown by these lines across each side. They mean that each side is equal, and we are shown one of angles, which is called 8x, and we are told to find x. So to do this, the way to go about it is to find out every angle, because we know every angle is the same as it is a regular decagon, and there is actually a formula for doing this. So once we do that, we can divide the sum of all the angles by 10, because there are 10 of them, and equate that to ax, and divide it by 8 to get x. So let's go ahead and put it into the formula, and now I'm just going to talk a bit about this formula. So it's n minus 2 in brackets, 180. So where does this come from? Well, we're going to use the example of a triangle and a square. So let's say we have an equilateral triangle that has 3 sides, right? Now n would be the number of sides, so 3 take away 2 is 1, 1 times 180 is 180, obviously, and we know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle are 180. And now for the square, that has 4 sides, so 4 take away 2 is 2 times 180, that's 360, and we know that the sum of all the angles in the square 360 because there's 4 right angles of 90 degrees each. So now let's just apply this formula to our decagon, which has 10 sides. So 10 take away 2 times 180 equals 8 times 180, and if we just figure this out using multiplication, we find out that it is in fact 1440. So now we've got the sum of all the angles, and because there are 10 angles, because it's a decagon, dec 10, we divide 1440 by 10 to get 144. Okay, so now that we have this value of each angle, this is 8x, so we equate 8x to 144, and to find x we simply divide by 8 on both sides to get rid of the 8x, and then when we do division of 144 divided by 8, we will find out that the answer is 18, which is the date for today. So our answer for the 18th June is 18. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.